Hello everybody, Shane from Greenstone Services. I wanted to first off say Happy Independence Day. This is a time for enjoyment, relaxation, being with your friends and your family, and having hot dogs and hamburgers, etc. And trying not to blow your fingers off while you light the fireworks for the kids and family that may be around you. On a more serious note, if you do happen to have PTSD, I'm sorry. I know this is a rough day for people that have been through those sorts of things, be it surprisingly enough, not just our troops, but other people that have been around a lot of gunfire or have been in bad situations where those sorts of things have happened to them. Don't let it get to you too bad. I know that sounds like a shallow sentiment, but we all have our struggles, and I can kind of relate. So beyond that, here's to friends and family, the 4th of July, Independence Day in America. Hopefully your day will be a safe one, a happy one, and one to remember for years to come. Again, this has been Shane with Greenstone Services, and you guys have a great day.